What is good with y'all boys and girls? Video's a bit late, my fault. But today, how to wheelie video on the Suran. Yes sir. Right now we're going to link up with some of the boys. So it's gonna be like a how to wheelie and like just a riding video. I don't know what else to say. But yeah, go to YouTube stuff. Enough talking. Let's get straight into the video.
What about with the dude who said, you know, all right, you know what I mean? Is yours electric? Yeah. What you got? 450. That's a big boy, huh? I need a mic. That's not electric. That's 450. That's electric? Yeah, okay. That's it. Yeah. Make sure you can handle that, though.
Alright chat, we gonna hop on the Ultra Beezy right now. Go for a little ride on the Ultra Beezy. Ultra Beezy. Oh, the foot peg loose as hell.
She's about to come out.
Gang. Ultra Beezy. Today.
Osmond. What's up, bro?
Good.
How you doing, brother? I mean,
Y'all from Lebanon?
Jordan.
Jordan. Assalamu alaikum.
Alaikum salam, brother.
I could just do with a drink, bro.
Thank you, brother.
I just want to get. Can I get the guava drink, please, bro? Yeah, the guava.
Is that nice?
I'll
try that.
Never tried it.
Buy it. Oh. You got that in London? What? This? Probably not. They're from London. Options. Oh yeah. London.
London?
Yeah.
Oh, come on, bro.
What part?
Northwest. Yeah.
A lot of people right there, right?
Right. Yeah.
Come back and cook on that shit.
different day. It's hiking cold as hell right now, but I need to do the how to wheelie. Oh my god, it's freezing. But yeah, let's get this around. Teach our boys how to wheelie. This? Why is it cold? It feels like London. Oh, the police truck.
Huh?
The police truck.
Oh yeah. What about it? It's just for like events.
Huh?
It's for like events. So
yeah,
like,
but
they take it to Cars and Coffee and shit like that. It's just for like when they have events, they bring it out. That's why it's wrapped like that. And it feels like police lights and shit. I gotta work. Hopefully it's warm tomorrow because I gotta work. Oh!
I got to the parking lot. Let me teach you how to wheelie. Starting off, you wanna I say you wanna learn your bike. So you wanna learn how the throttle reacts. I've got no torque whatsoever. So it was a bit harder for me to learn like this, but yeah. To start off, I would say put one leg down and then just lift up and then come back down straight away, so that you can get used to just going up and coming back down. Like just press the brake as soon as you get up, not to balance point, but just enough to where you get scared, because it's that's where you want to be at in the wheelie. The way I learned to wheelie it was harder for me to learn that way, so I learned by doing a knee knot and then dropping back to balance point. And this taught me the physics of the wheelie, and being low, and then I can drop back. I don't know if you can hear me because of the wind, but yeah. Alright, so once you've dialed in and then dropping straight away, you can start dragging your foot along the floor, and then just tapping the brake when you need to. But you can keep dragging your foot, and that'll be support. It might take you it depends how much you're out, but if you're out every day, you could learn this in 3 days if you just keep doing this, and then you'll get more comfortable with the bike the more you ride it. And then you just drag your foot, play with the throttle. See, I'm not using that much. I can cut out the throttle fully, and I'm still back. So now you've got this dialed, you've got the drag your foot dialed. Now you want to wheelie slow and without dragging your foot. So I'm going to show y'all what you would do if you didn't have my serum, but I don't mind because I'm under my bike. You want to put your foot under the bike, under the frame of the bike. So let me show you. You want to put your foot here, like this, and then once your foot is like that, you just lift up and then depending on your level, you can come back down or you can attempt to keep going. I would attempt to keep going and then just playing with the throttle and do not wheelie and press the brake at the same time, because that's what I did and I absolutely cooked my brake pads. So yeah, alright, foot under, right or left. I'll put my left because it's more comfortable for me, but I've seen also most people put their left, but it's really whatever's more comfortable for you. And then just lifting up and then playing with the brake, and the throttle. I'm not on the brake that much, like I can take my hand off. I'm literally only pressing the brake to stop my ass from falling, but once you get really comfortable, you'll be at balance point basically, and you won't be using the brake that much. And that's what you want to aim to get to. So all the steps is gonna get you to balance point. That's what we want. And then after learning all of that, start pipping. Honestly, wheeling a Suron is so easy. There go the police again. It's so easy, especially if you're coming from bikes. You can learn to wheelie a Suron I learned it in a week and a half, 2 weeks, to get to like combos and all of that. But again, I learned by just knee knock. Chasing the wheelie was how I learned, and then brake control just came like after. That is pretty much how to wheelie. And then once, like I said, once you learn everything, you can keep both your foot on the pegs, come up, jump the feet. You'll start experimenting, and the more you know your bike, the more you'll get comfortable, the more you're gonna play around and just do whatever you want, really. Lift up, straight away. Drag your foot. Yo, my brake finger is freezing. Whoa. If you guys want a more in-depth how to wheelie video, let me know, and I'll properly, I explained it pretty well, but if you guys want me to do like a third person video, let me know and I can do that. Ooh. Oh. But yeah, that's pretty much how to wheelie. What you don't want to do, you don't want to chase the wheelie. So I don't even know if I can do it, but you don't want to do this. If you feel yourself doing that, come straight back down and go back to the basics. And just learn to play with the throttle and the brake. Chasing the wheelie is one of the worst mistakes you can do, and you do not want to do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a bit late, that's my fault, because hey, last week was a little bump in a road, but we back. Friday is the next video, so yeah, do other YouTube stuff, and I might catch y'all Friday and then next week. Yes sir, we out.